Okay guys, so today we're going to be making some orange peel tea. So in order to do that, the first thing that we need to do is to wash the outside of our orange. We need to get our orange skin nice and clean. And so I usually use baking soda, as you can see, in order for me to wash the outside of my orange. Okay, so now we're going to peel our orange, and then we're going to take the orange peel and we're going to put it to dry. So I usually put mine by my kitchen window in order for it to dry, and then when it is dried, it is ready for us to use in order to make our tea. We take a piece of our orange peel, we rinse it out, and then we put it in our teapot and we pour some boiling water over it. Then we leave it for 5 minutes to steep, after which our orange peel tea is ready to serve. Of course, you sweeten it to your liking. Once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give the video the thumbs up, and of course, share the video with family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye for now.